Hi, this is a two-stage trigonometry problem where we're going to end up finding an angle. So it says find the angle theta correct to one decimal place. So we split the diagram into two right-angled triangles. So we've got one right-angled triangle here and another one here. We're going to use this one first to find this missing length here, and then we can use that to find the angle theta. So drawing that triangle out on its own, this is the side that we need to find, which corresponds to both triangles. Labelling the sides, that's the adjacent, this is the opposite, this is the hypotenuse. So what we're using the SOHCAHTOA, we've got want to find opposite, got adjacent, got the angle, so we're going to use tan. Tan theta is opposite over adjacent. The theta in this case refers to this angle 68. Tan 68 is going to be equal to the opposite side divided by 7.8. Then in order to find the opposite, we need to multiply tan 68 by 7.8. So it's going to be 7.8 tan 68. Likewise before, you don't actually have to work it out at this stage. You can leave it like that. If you do work it out, then you must make sure that you don't incur a rounding error in the second part of the problem. So this length here is 7.8 tan 68. And it corresponds to this length here on the other triangle. So drawing out the other triangle, and remembering this side is 7.8 tan 68, this is 8.4, this is theta, so labelling the sides opposite the angle, adjacent the angle and hypotenuse. SOHCAHTOA, so again we've got opposite, adjacent, angle, that means we're going to use TOA, that means we're going to use that tan theta is opposite over adjacent, where theta actually means this angle we've got to find. So tan theta is going to be the opposite side, which is 8.4 divided by 7.8 tan 68. So theta will be tan to the minus 1 of 8.4 divided by 7.8 tan 68. You can put this straight in the calculator as it looks, but make sure that you use the fraction button and put some brackets in here. That's going to give an answer of 23.51 degrees, which is an answer of 23.5 degrees. Now remember, these diagrams are never drawn to scale, so don't be put off by the diagram. Okay, this has been a video to show you how to use a two-stage problem in order to calculate a missing angle. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.